Creating a gig on XP Freelancer is straightforward and essential for attracting clients. First, log into your seller account and head to your dashboard. Click on the Create Gig button to kick things off. Your gig title should be clear and catchy. Think professional logo design services. Next, select the right category to ensure your gig is easily found. Now, dive into the description. Be detailed about what you offer and why you're the best choice. Don't forget to add up to 5 relevant search tags to boost your visibility. To enhance your gig's SEO, craft a compelling title and a concise 150-word description. Address common buyer concerns by including FAQs with clear answers. When it comes to pricing, you can choose a single price, extra services, or 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium. Specify what you need from clients to start the project, whether it's free text, multiple choice options, or attachments. Finally, upload high-quality images sized at 1200 by 900 px to showcase your work, and consider adding a PDF of your best projects to instill confidence in your skills. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to creating an attractive gig that stands out.